Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to an episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Today in the driveway, we have this beautiful Echo PB-755ST backpack blower. I sold it to this guy brand new in the box 2 years ago, and it's here for a runs but bogs down when we apply throttle. So, here we are, January of 2018. Like I said, I do so much volume, I don't remember. Now, you guys are probably thinking, how did I come across one brand new in the box? I get lucky from time to time. One day when we were vacationing in Rhode Island, I found an Amazon store, and I bullied them into buying everything that they had. And the profit from that paid for our vacation in Rhode Island. So, and it's going to continue to pay us because it's here. I told him that there is no warranty or guarantee. He did bring it into an authorized repair shop and they wanted to charge him. So that is your key of what we think is wrong with this machine. First things first is let's verify the problem. He did say he left fuel in it from last year, but if you do pay attention, or a lot of people say that you could leave 2-cycle over the winter. I disagree. I don't believe in that. I run everything dry. Alright, let's give this thing a pull and let's see what we got. Oh, dirt. Stop. Okay. Let's try. Okay, it wants to die. Okay, first things first, because this fuel smells a little funky, let's get that out. Alright, so let's get this out. I probably know what the issue is, but let's see. Start all over. Fresh gas. Well, Jason, what about the gas that's in the fuel lines? Well, we are just going to pump this sucker dry. So we are going to pump the remaining fuel into this carburetor until it won't pump no more. That's it. Empty. Get a little bit of seafoam in here. One cap full. And if you guys pay attention, I am not going to fill this all the way. By doing that, I am increasing the strength of the seafoam. Just fill it up just enough. Now you guys can see fresh 2-cycle is blue. His was like a dark, nasty green. So now let's prime it. See that? And let's give it a pull. On to step 2. It got better, right? Now, there is a little secret compartment. I'm going to take you guys out of here. Right here. You see that? Thank California for that. The worst state in the entire world. That is hidden. We are not supposed to adjust that, but we are going to get in there, and we are going to. So we got to pull it out with a plug and see if we can get in there with a screw or that secret little tool. So, get a pick, anything nice, and we just kind of got to like stab this out. There is no other way to do this. It's very violent, Neanderthal. I can't think of an easier way. I really can't. You just gotta keep going at it till you expose the screw, and you guys can see it. So I'm just trying to pick it, and we'll go from there. All right. So here is this little. Uh-oh. This is what's hiding the secret carb adjustment. Let me get you in here. And now, I don't know if you guys can see, inside here, you need a little flat blade screwdriver. So let's get that going. Alright, so, this is a small flat blade screwdriver. It should fit in here. And if it doesn't, then we're just going to work it back and forth, because this is the smallest one I got. And it's okay, because we will just see if we can grab it. And we're just going to kind of just work it around. We're going to be okay. Now, we have to make sure when you adjust the carburetor, air filter's always on. Okay, so let's get this started. And we're going to have to run it and adjust it. Okay? Come on, girl. Alright, that's that. So, we adjusted the fresh fuel, adjusted the carburetor, we're good to go. Now you guys heard this thing started screaming, right? There's nothing wrong with the screaming, right? But you do that at your own risk. You don't want to over rev the engine. So what I like to do is I like to get it to a full power and just turn it back just a little bit. Obviously Echo has its recommended specs, but I don't have that, and I don't have the RPM tool, so just use your instinct, right? You bought this machine running, hopefully, okay? So you know what it should sound like. If you want to be tempted to crank up the power just a little bit, absolutely. But never go full blown, because you're only asking for trouble, okay? Too much fuel sometimes is no good, okay? Now, in case you over adjusted the carburetor and it went, see, I had to turn it clockwise to get more fuel, right? Now, if you overturn it and it gets really, really high and goes back down again, bring it back counterclockwise and just find that happy medium. Alright? So that's it, guys. Very simple. Just a flat-bladed screwdriver. A little 90-degree pick that probably blew out when I took care of it. So let's just fire it up one more time and see where we're at. that's it, we're done. Alright guys, if you guys found this video helpful, smash the like button, smash the subscribe button, and guess what? I'll see you guys on the next episode of PATTAY'S Performance. Later.